Hi, are you guys looking for a complete course on stock market? Well, you have arrived at the right destination. Why should you believe me? Well, my name is Siddharth Dongre and I am a qualified chartered accountant and I have been working in the field of equity research since 2014 and I am well versed in creating financial models and writing research reports about the listed companies and I have enough domain knowledge to guide you through the right path in dynamic field of investing. That is why I have created this course for you guys so that you get a complete understanding about stock market, how to invest, what is value investing, what is bargain hunting, how to identify undervalued stock, and when to exit the stocks, and all the basics of the stock market are also covered in this course. Well, I've tried to keep this course concise and avoid unnecessary information just for informatory purpose. That is why the course is very crisp and not created an 80-hour course that doesn't add any value to you. To simplify all the tedious tasks, one of the USP of this course is I have created automated templates for you so that you can do all the analysis, including screening and valuation, without relying on anybody else. So you can do this at your home, sitting on your chair. You can analyze any company at the tip of your fingers. This is a 2020-21 course where I have taken a live case study on how we have identified Transport Corporation of India to be a multi-bagger stock. So in this course you will you will understand a live case study where we identified Transport Corporation of India, which was trading at 165 to be a multi-bagger stock. And if you currently, while the time of recording this video, it is many times up already. So the aim of the course is to create awareness. I'll tell you something about the course. Is to create awareness about investors, about the profound principles of value investing and create long-term wealth for people who can follow these principles. Topics covered in this course are divided in 3 parts. Part A would be all about the basics of the stock market, understanding the micro and macroeconomic factors and various categories of stocks. And part B would be related to company specific topics like how to analyze the financial statements, where to get the financial statements, how to analyze the company filings, what all the ratios that you should identify. Well, with the ratio analysis part, you will get an automated solution where you can identify the ratio analysis, where you can do the ratio analysis of any company through our automated sheet, and the portfolio management. Third and the most important part would be value investing plus use of our automated sheets and the financial model. Well, you will be getting a financial model along with this course as well, in which you can feed the numbers of any companies and you will arrive at the fair value of the shares. Plus you have an automated sheet to do all the financial analysis of a company within 5 to 10 minutes. Well, the third part would be dealing with the 3 steps of value investing. That is, first would be screening a good company based on financial analysis with the help of our automated sheet. Doing the fundamental analysis of the company. Here we did the fundamental analysis of many companies, including Transport Corporation of India, which turned out to be a multi-bagger stock, and we identified it at the time of doing the analysis itself. Doing the valuation of the company with the help of our automated sheet as well as our financial model. Now, what makes this course unique is that the automated sheets that will help you do the financial analysis very quickly, and you can screen the good stocks based on the sheets as well. Not only company analysis, but you can do industry analysis as well. You can pick a better stock within an industry with the help of our automated sheet. You will get an automated sheet and multiple based financial model so that you can arrive at the fair value of any company or any stock, and you can make a sound decision about buying or selling a stock without relying on anybody else. So this course is ideal for people who want to learn the art of value investing, for people who want to generate long-term wealth by doing fundamental analysis. Doesn't matter if you are a beginner or investment advisor. It would be ideal for people who believe in disciplined approach towards investing and learning. For people who want to become good investment advisors and portfolio managers. So hope this clarifies all the doubts about the course and you can make a decision on whether you want to enroll for this course or not. I hope I am able to see you or connect with you during the span of the course if you decide to enroll. Well, how to enroll? Well, visit sidsacademy.com, then register and create account like you do on the Facebook account. I have highlighted the register and login section of the website. Then add the course to the cart and purchase it. Do the payment and check out. So this will give you access, user ID and password to the course which you can attend. and enjoy the access to the course and attend the lectures. And you can download the automated sheets and use it, and the financial model, and use it to do your own analysis immediately. In case of any query, you can contact me on WhatsApp on this number. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, and I'm able to connect with you during the span of the course. Thank you.